Look at Savage White Cat. Cruising. Come on and eat the food. Oh yeah. Come on, spring. And I'm seeing what looks like some Easter lilies. Popping up right there across the stream. That's actually still my property. Right there. It goes all the way up about 25 feet past the stream, which is where that windsock is the edge, and the stream is on the other side of it. And then about 25 feet past that is still my property, all the way over to like where that stick is. So those Easter lilies are actually my property, but it's more of that person's house. It's more of their backyard, you know. I think that used to be a garden back there. It's all fenced in, and looks like there was an old garden in there. There. Easter lilies. Come on, spring. They're pretty.